Here I have Doogee S70, and today I'm going to show you how to check your battery health on this device. So to do this, what you need to do is to just download this Ampere app from the Play Store, open it, then you have to agree with you can just disagree with that, no problem, close. And here you can check your battery health, and as you can see, it measures my battery right now, and after a few seconds it gives you this information, and as you can see, my battery's health is good, everything is okay, no medical help is needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.